Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be demonstrating how to archive emails in Gmail. Let's get started. On a mobile device. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device and ensure you're logged into your desired Gmail account. Once you're on the main screen, locate the email you wish to archive. Tap and hold on the email to select it. You can also select multiple emails if needed. After selecting, find the Archive button at the top of the screen, which is represented by a downward-facing arrow, and tap on it. Your email is now archived successfully. On a computer or desktop, open Gmail in your web browser. On the main screen, find the email you want to archive and click the checkbox next to it. You can select multiple emails if needed. Next, click the Archive button in the top menu bar. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to archive an email in Gmail. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.